I am Pujita. In this video, I am going to explain about how to handle key events in Java. In order to handle key events, we require these two. The first one is key listener interface, and then the second one is key event class. Here, in listener interface, these are the methods: key pressed, key released, key typed. Here, key pressed. It is invoked when a key has been pressed, and key released. It is invoked when the key has been released. Key typed. It is invoked. This key typed event is invoked when a key has been typed. So these methods are handled using key listener interface, and these methods are also known as abstract methods. And in order to implement these key methods, we need this key event class. This key event class consists of methods like get key code and get key text. Here, this get key code gets the code of a particular text that we pressed, and here get key text will get the particular character of the particular text uh, that we pressed. And now let's see a code for better understanding. Here we'll open the notepad notepad space file name dot java. Notepad space dot java. Here the notepad is open. Let's import package like import java and import packages like java dot awt dot star. This star imports all the classes of AWT, include uh, frame and some components of AWT. And next package is import java dot awt dot event dot star. Here event dot star imports all the classes of the awt dot event, which include um that includes mouse listener, key listener, window listener events. Here then we'll declare class. Here class key one. Here our class is key one, which is file name key one extends frame. Here frame is used to create a GUI window, and then it implements key listener, which is used to handle events like typed, pressed, uh, and released. And then we'll declare text area T1. Text area is a multi-line area where we'll enter the text, and then we'll declare string message, which is used to store message about the key events. and then constructor key1, which is should be name, which the constructor name should be same as a file name and class, and then we'll set title like this is my keyframe, and then we'll set size to 400 into 400 pixel, and then we set layout of the then we'll set layout of the window to flow layout, which arranges the here flow layout arranges the components from left to right, and then we'll set visible visible uh, pro, which which is used to set visible is used to enable the window, uh, allows the window to be visible, and then we'll get text area t1 is equals to new text area with 5 columns and 25 rows, 5 rows and 25 columns with 5 rows and 25 columns, and then we'll create font that is with name sans with font with the name of the font sans serif, and font should be in bold with size 25, and then we'll set the font to the already created text area like t1 dot set font f, and then we'll set the foreground, that is color of the text area like to red, color to red, and then we'll add text area, then we'll add one dot key listener, this here the key listener is registered, and then we'll dot add window listener ls listener new window adapter. This class is window listener is particularly useful to handle window events. Then we'll add window closing. Then we'll add window closing. is window event WE. This window closing is particularly used to close the window whenever we exit from the window. Then system dot exit, close the braces, close window listener, and then we'll close constructor. Next, here object will declare key pressed, key event KE. Here will declare a variable int n is equals to KE dot get key code. Here key code is used to get the code of the key which we pressed, and then string s is equals to k dot get key text of n. Here the get key text is used to retrieve the character that we pressed in text format, and then message is equals to message plus key pressed equal to, then add text, and then this space. And then we'll set the text area to message, and here message can be updated. Then here public void key typed key event ke. It is empty here as we are not using key typed here. Then we'll declare public void key released, RELEASE, and key event ke. Here same operation that is performed in the key pressed will be performed in key released also. So I'll copy and paste here. But after released, the message will be updated here. Then main method public static void main string args. Then here demo, no, key one. Instance is created. Close the demo class, key class. Constructor is closed. Now we'll save the program, Control S. Let's execute the program now. We'll use command like javac space file name dot java showing error, window closing, window event we. Now let's execute again. Here the window listener W should be in capital. Now let's save the code again. And now let's compile it again. For compiling, we use command like javac filename.java. As there are no errors, now we'll run the code java space file name. Here it is showing output like this. So whenever I press a key, in this output, as you can see over here, when we press H, it's showing the key pressed H, and it is also showing the code of that particular string H. And here it is also showing key released, that is H, and its code, that is 72. And when we press any other, and also when we press any other letter, it shows the code of that particular letter and also the character that we pressed. So this is the output. In this way, we can handle key events using key listener interface.